Welcome to How to Download_Unfiltered, the channel where clarity meets creativity. We strip away the fluff and give you tech tutorials that are raw, reliable, and rooted in truth. Whether it's ethical downloading, boosting your PC's performance, or navigating the digital world with confidence, we're here to guide you step by step, without shortcuts or distractions. Our mission is simple: to empower curious minds through honest storytelling and visually engaging content. This isn't just about downloading, it's about understanding why things work and how to make tech serve your journey. To get the software officially, click on the link in the description and in the comment box. After downloading the file, take out it using the software mentioned in the video. After extracting, select the software that suits your preferences. When your software opens, go to the left side of the file and click on the empty Standby List button. This will clear out your RAM cache, making your computer faster. Next, go to the search bar and type run, then a window will open. Type %appdata% to clear the cache of an app on your system, which doesn't affect your data. Sometimes Windows is lagging because temporary files were stored in very large size, so in next step go to Setting of Windows, then Search, Storage, then clear all the selected files which are shown to you in video, and don't forget to enable Storage Sense. Startup apps could affect UPC booting times, so a next step going to fix this, disable all the high-impact software from the tab. Want to make your PC run smoother and faster without diving into complex upgrades? Start simple. Remove unwanted and unused apps. Over time, our systems get cluttered with software we no longer use, background processes, automatic updates, and hidden resource hogs quietly slowing everything down. Even a powerful PC can stumble when it's burdened by hidden malware or background threats. A good antivirus keeps your system clean by detecting and removing harmful files before they cause damage or slowdowns. Regular scans protect your data, optimize performance, and prevent unwanted programs from running silently in the background.